Eaton Souriau JBX and JMX push-pull connectors require only 2 fingers to securely mate or unmate, providing audible and tactile feedback along with color coding for the JMX series and keying for both series to ensure proper mating. The JBX connectors feature a robust metal shell with 360-degree EMI shielding and mixed layout options, while the JMX connectors have a lightweight plastic shell that tolerates autoclave sterilization and has an aesthetic design that matches medical equipment. Both series offer up to IP68 sealing when mated or unmated. They offer a variety of contact options, from 0.5mm contacts to maximize layout density in space-constrained designs, up to 2.0mm contacts for high voltage and current requirements. They're also rated for thousands of cycles to provide reliable connectivity and a long service life.